In this video, I'm going to try to finish up this coffee table that I've been working on. I originally wanted to put metal legs on this, but I had bought this slab before I picked out the legs, and it turns out this slab isn't quite wide enough for the set I wanted to use. So I'll attempt to make some wooden legs to get this coffee table completed. I already have this wood that I want to use milled up. This is just over 2 inches square. I'm hoping this looks aesthetically pleasing and it's not too thick. The first idea I want to try is on one side have 2 separate posts, and then on the opposite side have this U shape. And if I don't like the way that combination looks, I'll probably just make 2 of these. I'm going to be cutting these legs to 16 inches, but I might have to adjust that if it makes the table too tall. I think this is the design I want to go with. I actually preferred the look of the design that had 2 U-shaped legs. I just didn't like the way that looked in combination with the angle on this side of the slab. For this square or U-shaped leg, I'm going to be using 3/8 inch dowels to hold all 3 of these pieces together. I probably could have got away with just using the one, but I was worried about this piece right here twisting over time. So I'm just going to be putting 2 on each side. That should give it a little bit more strength as well. The method that I'm going to be using to attach these legs to the tabletop is going to be a wood dowel. I wasn't really sure how thick these needed to be, but I ended up choosing a 3/4 inch diameter. These are going to be 3 inches long. I only really wanted to buy a handful because I wasn't sure how well I was going to like them. But the company I bought them from only sold them in bags of 100. So I hope I really end up liking these and I can find a use for them in future projects. I wanted to use my drill press to drill the holes for those large wood dowels, but because the drill press I have is pretty small, I removed it from its base, attached it to my table, and I'm using a makeshift clamp to hold those legs in place while I drill. after drilling those holes, I'm actually really impressed with how well this simple idea was able to hold those legs in place. Although I'm not too thrilled with how much movement was going on up here, I hope that's not going to cause some sort of alignment issue. That was a dumb idea.
Let's make a movie with you, baby. I just wanna movie with your loving.
I was a little bit worried about using a 1/4 inch roundover for these legs. I thought it might be a little bit too much, but I think they turned out perfect. This is exactly the look I was going for. Now I gotta do a bunch of sanding to get this table ready so I can glue these legs in place and apply a finish. For those that want to see the table completely done 100%, I'll put a link in the description once it's done. And like always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.